Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature for Snapchat in 2025, enabling fingerprint lock. With privacy concerns on the rise, adding a biometric lock to your Snapchat account can keep your snaps secure and your data protected. This quick tutorial will walk you through the steps in under 2 minutes, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. If not, head to your App Store, update it, and then open the app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That's the one with your Bitmoji or avatar. Next, scroll down and tap on the Settings gear icon at the top right of your profile page. Now, look for the Privacy and Security section in the Settings menu. It's usually towards the bottom, so scroll if you need to. Once you're there, find the option labeled App Lock or Biometric Lock. In 2025, Snapchat has made this even easier with direct fingerprint support. Tap on that, and you'll see a toggle for fingerprint lock. Slide it to the on position. Snapchat might prompt you to verify your identity first, so place your finger on your device's sensor and follow the on-screen instructions. If it's your first time, you may need to set it up by scanning your fingerprint again. After that's done, exit the settings, and the next time you open Snapchat, it should prompt you for your fingerprint. Awesome, right? This adds an extra layer of security, especially if you share your phone with others. A quick tip: if fingerprint lock isn't working, double-check your device's settings to ensure biometric authentication is enabled in your phone's security options. Also, remember to keep your app updated for the latest features and fixes. There you have it, fingerprint lock enabled on Snapchat for 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.